Here I've got ESSENTIELB Wooze L, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, then tap on the more icon, select Settings, and now click on Call Blocking. And if you would like to block some particular number, just tap on Add a Number, and now enter it right here, tap on Block, and that's it. As you can see, here is your blacklist, so this number will not be able to call you or send you a message, and whenever you would like to remove this number from your blacklist, all you have to do is to tap on this cross icon and mark Unblock, and that's it. Now this number will be able to reach you. So this is it. This is how you can super quickly and easily create a blacklist, add a number to your blacklist. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.